So insert room card for the electricity. This is for cleaning. This is for alarm, I guess. No alarm. The light switch. There is an extra pillow, 3 bathrobes with an iron board, an ironer down there, and some more storage space for your clothes. There's a safe, also some slippers. Also a little mirror here on the side of the door, so I'll close this door. Right next to that, what's this? And in the first drawer you'll find, whoa, 3 cups, 3 spoons, some tea bags, cream, sugar, some coffee powders. Underneath is just a mini fridge with nothing inside it. This room is pretty tiny, a lot of space. So here is a little table with a rubbish bin, a little desk there with a TV. Tell you how to use the rooms. There's a little side red chair here. It's one on the 9th floor and you can't really see anything because it's dark. You've got 1 single bed and 1 double bed, and in between you'll find a notepad with a pen, tissue box, telephone, and all the light switches here. There's no drawers, it's just light switches. Okay, light switches. And over there is the toilet. Here you have soaps, shower caps. This one is 2 combs, 3 dental kits, and 2 glass cups. It says please put the free and mat on the floor, do not put it in the bathtub. So we've got more towels here, toilet seat, and here is 3 sanitary bags. This is a hairdryer right there. Oh, so hot. Pool rules. No lifeguard on duty, no food or drinks allowed. Children are accompanied by supervisor all times. Pool hours 7 AM to 8 PM.